Welcome everyone, here is how you turn off the iPhone 14 Pro. I'll be covering two methods. The first way, if the touchscreen is fully working, and then also if the touchscreen is not working as well. So if your touchscreen is working, what you do is you find where the power button is, and then you're going to find where the volume down button is. You're going to press and hold both the power button and the volume down button together, and you're going to keep these two held down until you see the power off menu. So let's do this together. 3, 2, 1. Press and hold power volume down, keep these two held down, and once you see the slide to power off screen, you can now release from both buttons. So what you're going to do is you're going to slide to power off, just like so. If you are unable to get the key combination down, an alternative method with the touchscreen is you're going to open up the settings app. You're then going to find where it says general. You're then going to find where it says shutdown, and then you'll be brought to the same view. But what if the touchscreen is not working, okay? Maybe the screen is frozen and so nothing is showing up. Well, what you're going to do is the following key combination. I'll show you what the key combination is, then I recommend we do the key combination together. So you're going to click and release volume up, then click and release volume down, then click and hold and keep on holding the power button until you see the Apple logo. So let's do this together. 3, 2, 1. Click release volume up, click release volume down, click and hold the power button, keep this one held down, do not release, keep this power button held down, and just keep it held down. So we're just going to keep this one held down, do not release. If you accidentally release the power button, you have to repeat the key combination. When you see the Apple logo, you do not need to be holding any more buttons, and the restart has been done successfully. So keep in mind, if this didn't work, you either did these volume buttons too slowly, okay, so click release volume up, click release volume down, you didn't do this fast enough, or you clicked and released these buttons too quickly, okay? Just rewatch the video where I did the key combination, do it in sync with me, and as long as you do it in sync with me, then everything will be fully working. So with that being said, thanks for watching, see you guys later, bye bye.